Happy Friday, you guys. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with me today. If you are new here, welcome. We're going to get into decorating a planner spread in my Passion Planner Daily, chatting about some weekend plans, just having a good time. So grab your stuff, grab your planner supplies, your snack, your beverage, whatever it is, and just come hang out with me. Let's chat, let's decorate, let's get into it. Someone once commented that my hand is so still when I start my videos, they feel like their computer glitched. And so now I feel like either doing this when I start my video or saying, "Welcome to the Alana and her spooky hand channel." I just feel so weird. It's weird when you have a hand channel, huh? All right, you guys, we are going to be decorating a planner spread in my Passion Planner Daily for another weekend of writing. Oh my gosh, now I want to write a book about a hand that's haunted. Like, imagine if your own hand was just attached to your body, but it was haunted. I've been watching too much Wednesday. Thing is on my mind. Okay. We're gonna get into a planner spread, and I am going to like double up what I have to do. I have to set up a planner spread for my weekend of writing, but I also have to do a planner spread for the plots and plans planner/reading challenge over in my Facebook group. Is something that I created for my planner community and my author/reader community this year. It's been fun so far. I can't believe like this year feels like it's already gone on for so long. So the fact that I'm only doing the third one of these feels kind of crazy, but it's also weird that we're at the end of March already. Anyways, so plots and plans is like a bingo card, and you just have a prompt. So some sort of idea for a theme, for a planner spread to create, or a book to read, or a book cover to choose. And for the month of March, I'm doing Whole New World. The first one that I did for January was Wind and Waves. For February, I did Blast from the Past, and now we're doing Whole New World. And I don't know. I grabbed some things and I thought like these are like cardboard cutout stickers from Journalsay. I have some washi here. I also grabbed my Wrong Fantastical sticker book. And I'm going to try to come up with something. Like I literally have no idea what to do, but we'll figure it out by the end of the video. Pinky swear. I think I'll start by putting some of these little houses, these little whimsical townhouses or whatever they are, down at the bottom. These are very Tim Burton, you guys, and I freaking love it so much. So I'm going to put some of these down at the bottom here. Ooh, this one is like split in the middle. I want to stack them just like how they have it on the cardboard in there. So let's see. I probably should have gone through these and picked which one was my favorite. I love this dragon scales one. And I just love the colors. They're so weird and whimsical. And yeah, these are like cardboard. They are stickers. I thought at first maybe they were just ephemera, but I choked on that word. I thought they were just ephemera, but no, they're stickers. Oh, look at this one. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. That's like kind of reminds me of the stacks from Ready Player One, except not. That's really cool. Okay, I love all of these. Now I want so many more. Oh my gosh. Okay. This one's really fun too. Let's choose. I think I'm gonna swap this one out for the dragon scale chimney, or I guess roof one. Chimney. Alana, good job. Do you even house? And then let's see. What do I want to put over here? This one? Or should I not go all the way across? No, I think I should. And then this one. Yeah. Okay, watch me forget exactly how I had them laid out now. Tell me where to put them when I come back, because I have them behind each other. So, okay, let's go. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Okay, so if I'm doing one by one, I'm just gonna, I already pulled the backing off of this one, so I'm gonna put that one in there. This is really gonna bump up my planner, but I'm okay with it. And then this one, I'm gonna have to leave it, oh shoot. Oh, that was easy. I'm gonna have to leave it lifted up a little bit so I can get this one behind there. Okay, and then the dragon scale one is gonna go over the top. It's gonna be in the front. I would definitely live in one of these houses. Actually, okay, scratch that. I would live in one of these houses if there was nobody in the house next door. If there was a house like this out in the middle of the woods, surrounded by acres and acres of empty land or wooded land, yeah, I'd live in one. If there were people this close next door, I couldn't do it. I couldn't. I'm not a close arrangements person. No judgment if you are. I totally get the appeal. It's just not for me. How do we like it? I wish I had them all over just a little bit so this gap wasn't here, but I'm okay with that. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect spread already. These are so awesome. And I still have a whole bunch left. That's so cool. Journalsay is always linked, you guys, with a discount code. I got these other ones. These are for Tracy. These are for Tracy. Don't tell Tracy. These are really cool. I'm probably going to get some more of these for myself because these would make a really awesome Halloween spread. And it would be very tempting to use them all at once to make this back here and then like some bats or something in the sky. That would be cool. But we're going to go with the whimsical, colorful ones this time. And let's bring in something from the wrong fantastical. Or maybe should we do washi first up at the top? Let's do that. Does this look or this? Which one do we like better? This is flowers, but it still has the moon. Should we do both? Is that crazy? I think I'm gonna do both. Yeah. Have you seen my scissors? I've found them. Okay. What do we think so far? I think I love it. I think maybe I should have ripped this bottom washi so that it wasn't like a straight line. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So much better. Oh my gosh, what a difference that makes. All right, now we're gonna get into the fantastical wrong sticker book. Okay, do we do the moth moon sticker that I've been hoarding for a super special spread, or do we do? Why is that, you guys? I have a full mug of coffee, like the size of my face, on an empty stomach. So I'm very loopy. Do we do that moth moon or something else? I want this to be like full on weird, as per usual. I actually feel like this one might be better suited for the spread. But also, if I put it up here against this washi tape, it's gonna be super busy. So let's just do it. There's no point in hoarding your favorite stickers. They're meant to be used and loved and enjoyed, and maybe this will be my good luck. Maybe I'll get a bunch of really good words written this weekend if I put this sticker on here. We'll go with that. Sure. You can have a good luck sticker. Tell them Alana said so. I don't even know if that works. Yeah, I don't know. What's weird about it? Well, I'm going to leave it for now. No, I think it's because oh wait. Remember the whale? I completely ruined that sticker pulling it up. I was going to say the pink is so pastel. It doesn't go with this. This isn't going to come up, you guys. So, let's pray about it. Let's sing about it. Let's hum a little mantra. I don't know. It's working. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep going. Thank you. I was gonna say you can also have a different lucky sticker, but I don't think this is it either. I don't think this is gonna work. It definitely doesn't work up here. There's too much white background, and I'm not in the mood to fussy cut out these little vines. So, I don't know. I don't want to leave it just like this. Oh, maybe we can do the tiny moths. So there's this one, and I know there's some other ones in here. This one is the only other one. So I guess, the only other one that I feel like matches. These are more blue. There's a little bit of blue, but I feel like this one is gonna go much better. And then I really want to put this tree like back behind one of these houses, but I don't think I'm going to. Okay, I have a whole new world question for you. If you had to go to a whole new world and your two choices were a parallel world like ours, parallel to the world that we currently live in, but you didn't get to know what the differences were, or a world that is entirely, completely different, and you know for a fact there's like giant bugs and monsters and all kinds of weird, like living, moving plant life. You got to know what it was like. Would you choose that one, or would you choose the parallel world to ours, but you got to know nothing about it and you didn't get to know if like your family was completely different, or they don't even know who you are, what the differences are? What would you choose? You know me. I'm monsters, giant bugs, crazy plant life, dragons. I'm all for it. I'm going for it. I wouldn't, if there were two buttons, I wouldn't even think twice. I would be there. This doesn't work. I need something plain over here. We need like a plain green or a plain something else that matches. I'm going for this one. I don't think this even matches, but I think it'll blend in nicely to the background when I add some more things onto it. I'm going to put some more of this down on the bottom to cover up these spaces that I don't usually use for my writing spreads. And then we're going to put this guy, this very Tim Burton character, right here on his cool bicycle. And in order to tie it together, I think I need to put one of those houses over on this side. I have to lift it up a little bit because there's stairs or steps, whichever you want to say. And then we need another moth. I already said they don't match. I feel like this works a little bit now because he's got some like blue and gray. But no, shoot. I'm gonna put some washi or something right here. I didn't do a ton. I just wanted to distract a little bit from the fact that I had a bunch of white out behind there. I think I'm going to do this again, rip the washi tape to add some of the clouds and things like that over here. I think I'm going to do it the other way this time though. So like ripped across the top so that it's opposite this. Do you know what I mean? Also, it's getting very dark and rainy and gloomy outside, so I apologize if the lighting is changing. What do we think? I think I like that. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go for one more of these, you guys, and then we'll do some little boxes and some other little doodads, and then it'll be ready to rock. So what are your plans for this weekend? I obviously am going to be writing, working on my novel, but Friday night is family movie night for us. We're gonna have Philly cheesesteak chicken sandwiches. And we're gonna rent Gentleman Broncos. Let me know if you have seen that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I don't know how I didn't know this movie existed. So, my family and I absolutely freaking love Napoleon Dynamite and Nacho Libre. If you couldn't already tell what kind of sense of humor I have, it's specifically that kind. Um, so, we saw the extended trailer for the Minecraft movie like a week or so ago, and it said from the creators of Napoleon Dynamite in that, and we got to talking about other movies from the creators, and like we realized that we didn't know if there were any other ones, and we looked it up, and Gentlemen Broncos is one of the movies from the same creator, and we didn't know it existed, so we're gonna rent it. It sounds ridiculous and it sounds exactly like something that myself and my family would absolutely love. It's about a homeschool teenage kid who is writing a novel, and apparently his mentor like steals his idea, and I don't know how it spirals out from there, but there's like images on IMDb of them like turning his novel. It was a sci-fi fantasy and he's getting it turned into a movie, or maybe the mentor who stole it is turning it into a movie. I don't know, but I'm betting it's going to be incredible. Also, are you guys going to see the Minecraft movie? Do you have kiddos who are fans of Minecraft? Mine don't really play Minecraft all that much anymore. They did a little bit when they were younger, but we're big fans of Jack Black in this house. So we're excited to see it. Jason Momoa, I don't know about that hair and that outfit, but I think that he's still going to be really funny. I think it's going to be good. Also, this weekend, if it's not raining, judging by the weather outside my window, well, and the actual weather report, if you can trust that, it's supposed to rain this weekend, but we are going to hopefully extend the chicken run for our chickens. They have a decent one right now, but we want to give them a little bit more room, and they're kind of being butts to the littlest one. They're just picking on her, and we just want to give them more space. So, those are our weekend plans. I'm excited for it. I found some green circles. I'm thinking about putting them over here. I know my scratchy boxes would go just fine with this spread, but I think it's okay to change it up a little bit. Circles are fine sometimes. This one is crooked, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put this little page and pushpin sticker right here. Oh my gosh, I really wish I had more of these portrait stickers left, because I feel like one hanging down right here would look really cool with the rest of this, but not in red. There's kind of red on the roof, but y'all, this is gonna be Christmas immediately if I try this, isn't it? Yeah, it's not working. I'm gonna put one of these purple rain cloud stickers like literally right above this kid or guy or boy or girl. I can't even tell. Anyway, they have their own mood and they need their own rain cloud. And plus, it's supposed to rain. I'm covering up my game changer goal with this little banner sticker. And I think I'm just going to put 2 pieces of washi over the Today I Learned and work and just call it good. It needs just a little bit more decorative. I have my little 2 pieces of washi, but I want to add, I was going to add this pencil, but I changed my mind. But I do want to add these colored pencil shavings right down here. I'm going to cover up best thing that happened with this color palette of shades of green. And we're going to put a green, I don't know what that is, star burst something right there. And then one right here. And last one, we're going to put these green socks right up here because it makes perfect sense at this point. My whole new world spread is complete. You guys, what do we think? I'm loving it. I'm absolutely freaking loving it. The purple cloud definitely doesn't go, but I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. I'm happy with this. I think it's so fun. I think it's going to be really inspiring to fill up this weekend while I'm writing. Let me know what you think. Let me know where are we going? Are we going parallel world, or are we going whole new world with bugs and monsters and dragons? Also, what your weekend plans are, you guys. I'm looking forward to catching up with you down in the comments below. I will see you there. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this one. It was a weird one, I know, but I had so much fun. That's all for this one. I will see you in my next one. Tell your dog I said hi. Bye, guys.